Hi guys, welcome to How This is Info channel. Today I have ALCATEL 1B 2022 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To set mobile data limits we must go to the settings and there SIM card and mobile network. Now we press on data usage and now we must switch on mobile data and there buying size. There we can set our mobile data limit. First function, date of each month when our size restart date, maybe first day of each month. There we can turn on set data warming and set how many we want in gigabytes, megabytes, maybe 100 megabytes, and set mobile data limit. We switch on and confirm by OK, and now we can set it. It can be in gigabytes, megabytes too, and how many we want. Maybe 5 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.